Oh, I know. Apology no the fee baby ne be do baby. An apology no wom fia bi.
Enti mpacho.
Eno kra oze.
Mpacho nanso mi wonchiremu.
Wonchiremu. Because say MPP na ewo ni mu no. Enya de obema na kọ. Na te ho a ohun se enkoye no. No pese wo create bibi na omo call rerun. Enti na wo say okoshi.
Na no ma bato no na ehwe so rerun.
Oh no.
Na no ma bato no.
Wana
na ehwe so.
Amwa na ehwe so.
Na bato yo mutu. Obi atumi kofa adaka. Obi atumi kofa mutu se de no wole ko.
But when I call her 50 the 7th parliament and sana midnight him said by 1 a.m. and I would do Rasha Begum that evening no ne what is saying.
Asempa me do na jono. And see ye minya ye ne na ekoso na me hu say ye mpon wan.
Wow.
Say bia ye betumi aye na ya so en speaker na bibia akoso. O me share grounds wo no mo ne ma ekoso na musem ye mpon wan. Eti ye share report na se nyina ne na meka ne say ye tumi awie ntem aya no pa 6.
Wow.
Me ne na me hunu no.
Wow.
Say ye tumi awie ntem an.
Na dia na wo tie ye hu ye nti ana ye o se ye mpon wan no.
From NDC camp, MPP camp. And she say no my because unim me call ye no obia campaign in Crawford.
Okay.
MPP for a campaign or mon Crawford e hotel.
Okay.
And if NDC for so campaign or mon Crawford but NDC for no e jai or mon Crawford ntem or muni or mu ye bia no or man sha sie dana.
Oh okay.
Or mu sha sie jama be nansa ansa na ye breno beso eti no matoto or mu niema.
Okay.
Yeah, quite idea be sheni. Ye was a time say near drew honor.
Okay.
Ye kodura. I was see a dick and wurem. Ye conny ko wurem. Naso mudi dinga bobo honor moa. Ye be wa
wife.
Say, Masha say bambofo no ba. Kwanya ye diombe na chese or machisha munia menina. Ye bepono. MPP for so ye or arrangements na ba winim. Or more modiano, or more ye no munya fela.
You know mo gusu ye
na eche say asa niema na bebom say monkrofo no enkrofo na wuram
yeah
monkrofo no be miensa be num ya to mo mo ahwe yo beto atiom etina omo ya na edu ba bia na o ma science okay ene ye be she ha say e wo see make sure say
okay
nipa no aye ekọ no obia sa wo po so mpo abanu ye chefe dia kofa akọ
wow
ye kokoduru so a esansa yanyinie
anyway yan church for say bia wo ka ho asem ye busu akọ Facebook sesi a na afa hwe dia ABY e ka ho asem na wo be hu dia course nyina ABY to asema me
because who say enhyehyeye ya make no hwe ne course or house one man na che say obia plan no ye no no MPP for dia ne say e was e make sure say obia omo de no omo weke wo omo
okay
e was say ye nyina 137 no ye nya ni nyina ene anim so say ye wo baako ye independent candidate ye ono kra no as time na ye to for speaker no minim baby ana che say no gina ba no my imagine say was say work 137 no ho Oma anko NDC for die nu. Sane NDC for wuru omu die nu mo. Elobi ye ehun say enkrofo ni bia ye omadwen say ye niema yi a obedi achi.
Okay.
Etu omu die ne de kwan omu na MPP for so de na omu ye ne say ni ate. Eti e wo say ye make sure say mu nyina amu de begum.
Okay.
Eti kwan ye befa so amu de begum mu nipa kro twra afa kire. Wotra e wosa wo ma ye hu senka ye ne ye te ho wo se bi wo hono mo a
ya se wo te wo no atwro
eti senka ate wo na wo tro de a how de be che ne wo ni fa na de a che ne wo benkum na de akotwum ba sa wo hwe ne omo ye so a ye de adaka bezi okona ko gina
ya kwana ko ginam nti ene ya wo ne onyame
woni no wo ne onyame kra na omo ye omadwen se wo ya ebi se omo be start no ne ye course ni omo de ye maame Lydia Sayira Malasa ekoko gina enchemu hono baby abefa
akoya yi no
ewo MPP side wa akoto aba no mu de ni kogina hono ena munja ka mo hwe no mu hu se ade no aye to se yesi aba ne yeto de anke enyina entena ase eno de achinye kakra baaye ena omuma ye ma me say antina si hu say ade na nye body ankwada adwonti em fa oba nkogina no e na omuma chief rep na nkasa ye anodompre ekoko gina baby a eya say ministers no ko statement a omu gina no omma ani gina nchen ho no mo e na muntaka free omu ho no mo sa be tai anodompre nchen
wow
be gina ne nchen na omu so che say da bi we anya bo ne ye bo no wa be attack me
obi agire la
so gina ho na hwem dia kokko gina mo fa ho na muntaka se wonko
we say no nim se wa wie na adwuma won ne fie
ntino wonko e say no omu nim se omu wo bi ewo MPP for the anywhere what
so make sure so much
say omo nsa beka so a so omo ntumi a make sure say MPP for fa kire no enya adwuma omo nya e say nipa no fa kire no enti sa nkrofo nde no ma ye din say mu de mu make sure say ebe ye yesi secret enya secret beto
that's right
enti na no mo so mani abra say e wo say make sure say mra no ebe ye adwuma wo hu de ekoye enti wo abra mu ntaka be gina ho no first person na ye bo ni din no who say ye start ye to first no onu otwiro wie ye no a okọ no eno kra de wan fa nkogina butu no wansa no wode kire wo fom ho ena mu ntaka hu ye no ko hwimade ni free ne sem Pipa na nke woso de kwato box okohwim free ne enu na de santa wanta shase first one e ba ye na start free wo
okay na ade no hwimie
so onu nu hu ne enye
valid okay
etu di ache di amfa nkoto
because ade na secret yes obia
omumra no hu asempa conflict wo kwan bi so because unim Sahip system will say, and was say a year Juma. Womumre mu parliament or no, and was say ye Juma. It is a year Juma so dear. Mush if you be in line, say, and was see a conny say, and was all shaman no ye Juma. And I was some mush some rano so say, about only a secret, and no so ye Juma. And it 2 way no. Say, Ube shase be ye Juma, a quambisono, a boy budakakra. If you say me say omuni line no near me pesa omoye ne say yentu nkose yentu nkose na wose mi hu
indeed
a secret
on say okay there will cano enti ase a me nya ne say on say na NDC for secret because omunim say omu wo bi wa
omu wa nu say omu pe me mate no na omu wo be 5
me so dia me tie no say nipa 5 and omu nya wo MPP omo ye sure say Zanipa 5 na beto amo
the crow money omo ye de say me call ye na sempa mi wura mu abisa say eye sika say mu bisa na o masere o ye mahwe but at the crow bi omo ye no hono mo no omo ye ni ye na unse na me ka bibi say NDC for preparations no o man shase dana ye beto aba no
omo shase
entem
okay
kwa nipa kro mu yi no so omo de ne ba ni nyina no omo ye very strategic say nipa yegu NDC mu a ye wo parliament nyina no obi ani hwa ye de ne kwa ye betumi anya dom je Babin
okay
enti no omo overlooking niema bebre wo Babin ho because NDC party ni nyina no eni omo nyina na pe Babin sa wo de fa bo yen kwa chire kaka na yen hwe ne utterances bi a wa ye eni just o towards nipa no a sabre wo di NDC amanwoko nanim no eti omo a wo say nipa ni bi wa politics na omo ye na ode na koma na dwen ti o jana dwen weti sa nkofo ni say hu ne say o Babin otan jomama Babin tan joma but omo overlooking ni nyina hu say this is the time ye here to me no nipa so ede no kwa ye benyani esa Babin ono sa we NDC so ye MPP o kwan o fa so ni nipa ni nyina nante
but honestly o hwem dia Babin ne experience in parliament honestly what you say akonwa ne fata no mom and afani nyina so o hwa omakumem no asim omo pe Babin asem but there's a party sem na ba
asempa you just don't appoint to be akeke say minima sempa ebi asempa ye minua meni asempa ne free krom no omum enna make say omo overlooking niema de hu say no to me ne epe we ne de ne kwa ye benya
to me
na masua eniema ba miensa ewo ne esiye no mu sa wodi ntawanta wa woni obi wo to nchen You need not to be friends with Obi and Sana and
exactly. She nipa ne qualities. The obetumi aye.
The obetumi aye.
Ne fane ye.
Na fane ye.
And yes, oye good crime mempenasem.
Mempenasem.
Ntime fane ye. Yeah.
Because I would buy MPP afa hono mo a. Nipa no ewo MPP mu wo parliament hono mo no kra no. Bebre speaker no wote so no. Omani nye ne ho.
Yeah.
So amo se mebo a enne show ye no.
Professor Michael.
Yes. From results eba ye any adwuma waye se asempa ko house on mo a nipa wo ni bi be ka cho se oh eba adwuma se ye boa na hye bedwam puntudwuma ne sa ne ma na waye bi ena hwe bills ahoro so mutumi pass ye waye ho no adwuma ba se ye kase nipa ye nipa wadwuma a wo ye ka ho wo ni nipa nkita hodie ka ho
exactly.
Enya say wo obi ho no mo anti na etoda ye say wo ba no wo di buku nko a na wa amma no efie nyansa nipa sunu amma wanhu sani osini nipa tena eno so ko ha adwen eti MPP for I hope say we be mo mahu efi sa abri ko sa afi no be appoint ministers ne niema aka no omumfa we entoto ho
a lesson, honestly.
A lesson.
A lesson. Pa.
Great lesson.
Pa.
And I need the nyina so ne be ne say, emra no say, emra ye gumwe ye mra for nipa. Mra no ye ma nipa. Ya mo nipa ma mra. Enti, wodi be si second deputy so edienu second deputy speaker de enu mu a. Esiama de no. Say ya yiri ya hu twan ya say ya mane nko papa isi buei mo si no wa huni anu so ekosi papa na buchira wonya ye wa branta wanta wane sha ase no he decided say oni media communication no wate so enti na wo frɛ no a owo special assistant bi a ono kasa so kasa ya enke betumi yi na sem num eda we wo kan we eda we wo oyedin every form ka say ya kana konwa na butu ni nyina no ayedin so some results no nanra asempa wabra omoto abani wie ya ndisi for no start jubilation no papa ne hye na konwam nana wayedin me ti ni din say yeso na be second no na me suroma ne say eh ni wan hwe obekọ one term me kan na say obekọ one term but from sani enra ne emesiko ye no agreement bi a omako ndc for tiase ne asie
oh of course
MPP for so tiase
yeah
enti MPP for nyina so emfa nye campaign nginsi no ena ebi so kra 2024 no MPP for mfa nipa nkonko gina wo constituency no ebiem eti seba ne saade a ne huson na emom ni nyina ni gina na adwuma free sabri ko obeye so ena ebe mo maka se ye di nipa bekọ anasa ye mfa nipa nko ti ebetumi aye Joe Wise die ni bi ye mfa nipa nko ye ne waka bom asempa ye niema bebre
but what was for me na MP no wo share a kwaya of fast so assign the winning ye na say wa be second deputy speaker of parliament no na otimo say for me na for ombedi de asenya bonabaso 2024 because we pejom mudimpa we pejom enye easy o it's a see na second deputy speaker and there was za wotie ya me pacha ko Facebook na fe share honorable Andrews Esiama Amoako na sema ye kan share ne mfonyi da ho fefefe second deputy speaker enye easy o
enye easy
say
say one na ma
enye easy second deputy
you have an can say border gas one border gas na be nante body guys be di na chi obewo police ni a one no ebe nante be a o te won kran ha sei no be a o te won kran ha na ebe sesa won baby a ofri from say ye twutwan we twon ha lesson there e koma parties no empanimfo e wo parliament ho en chese ye keke asempa wonim say babi empanimfo ayi noi no
yeah
say empanimfo tumi ka bomu ye adwuma e be reflect ebo ya manyo sema ye ye niema ye nyina mu no se ne ye no ma ye nim no dada ye hunu a ye ka se sei no ote sei no obetumi aye no so otumi ya sa all inclusive government na oma pa no it can start from there
and the winner takes all no so ye be yefio ye be yefio sa winner takes all na nipa bako fa bibia boso no
say nya time a wode Pakwasim Dum public sector reform minister. Sabre no kura ne hu say civil service no say ya tete ye and then mampani na na do ba ya wo yi doctor yi anu o kira de KUST doctor yi o kasa radio so no o kasa pa wo ba public sector reform hono mo ya anye ni minister mom ba ye create ya create agency say o na no me we fini doctor Bana
Amakoba Debbie is already there now or non-co national chairman craft for the MPP.
Papa Baye, Waye.
Cape Coast, and
no, I thought I would you be free a man you quofu from say, Yanini Baye Juma, near Waya Brobedi Wabro, near not dream so that hono, or Casa or Boawa, or Chimia Boawa, my Memuna Coso, and to young Shani Bessie, because ye wore agreements be. Ya wo bills bi ya wo niema bia ya ye ne parliament a esunsun so ma wo man no ankoyie ankoyie
esuma manfo hwe wo nyina adena na ne ade
o na ne ade ba na ne ade ata ne ye nyina na sempa me ne emrahye badwafo ne di atutu asem no me ne 2 ekasai na Carlos so ede ne reaction aben me ne John Jina Pokasai.
Okay.
And I mean,
I know so na buafupa. We share video. Say video ne chaguna. Na John buafupa.
Na so muni ahodi o. E odi say
yesu ya na.
Na afi John Jina po no bie na no akasa ma. Ni asi.
Wow.
Minim baby kura otiatia mu faaye. But okan ni nyina na me draw attention to say niema ye. Mo ana vigilante mre maji atum. Wonim se wafom.
Yeah.
And no started so apologize.
Oh, okay.
Say near ye no, yenim say e bi wo honom kra me ferry. But na near ye pese ye ni.
Okay.
And na we so I don't want the ene de ekoye say yidie Carlos de no. Ma fom so me wa asem kan. And no odi bo defense
Okay. Everyone, me yankwa homa sombra na afi yankwa twetwen come but before then well, me for message you into I said the NDC went there with a clear plan, but MPP did not. There was no need to go to the booth to tamprint. You could have just ticked without tamprinting. The MPP was not forthright because the moment you saw the NDC occupying your position, they should have known that the battle lines has been drawn. Okay, me that be bro making kind. Also the amount. Honorable Matthew Nyendam, the former Deputy Majority Chief Whip, former Member of Parliament, Bandai constituency. Honorable Nyendam, what do you mean? I hope so. So here. Great. And oh, constituency and I won't cry.
I won't cry.
Oh, won't cry. When I'm called constituency.
They say the constituency are human before.
They say which na touchline a whole body.
Somebody has show been sent. They say I may hear.
Yeah, me ne. But some won't call parliament be away. What next? Yeah, now be.
Well, as a business kakrabi, sabi o politician there. Yeah, politicians there. Politician because why? Na kwa bia so akwanya baba ma dia boy party na dia boy government no. Na ya so much no e dia mama.
Oh, okay. Until na dia obekwa akọchira ade bio.
That be NDA e be din kakra.
NDA we film.
And the very big
honorable outside there.
Oh, but teacher Juma, Sabio, it's a very good job because the mayor abdominal strategy. Just say your output, no, they are fantastic because us share school kwala and especially those who excel. Omu just a practice ne. By burning as some palm kafri so yeah na inshira bebre teaching is something that but me ya chekaka
okay
one here na after no be question here processing no kofa we bra never be how we kra hu
yeah kada V8 so crowd they dey call classroom anya but honorable indeed na ja ne wa multimedia we hwe with TV so church and your when your mind here dey course so parliament nyina but we a former deputy majority chief whip about your educate here kakra the whipping system no saying.
Well, I mean, that was in a match here at T4. Na match up and I for so match president. Ma congratulate no and Yakopo Adumti. Ghana started to me namano for the next 4 years. So Obetwaso na wayena adwuma pa. Me congratulate the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana. Adwuma pa omo nyina omaye na party no asa to me about power. Party mpenyifo nyina me chia omo. Na ma chia ye leadership currently in parliament also. Your boss, Chairman Sabusu, the current crop of leaders now, Modia Konaso, your bompire, na Yedia Momo. Now, I'm congratulating the first time in the history of the Republic of Ghana, say, Benya Speaker Fufro, I'll be free at Ben Fufromu. Your first, a manual Fufromu, no, I'll be this speaker, a different government. Honestly, congratulating you. Now, Uba, now, beside the whip system,
yeah,
it's a very powerful organ when it comes to leadership.
Okay.
Wo whip no we chief whip with 2 deputies no. Makwa kwaye mo say welfare officers within the caucus. And the chief whip, the majority chief whip is the chief whip of parliament. Although minority so omo whip there. But we government chief whip no. We chief welfare officer for every member of parliament.
Okay.
Because of that particular rule, no, and you are supposed to make sure that you whip members online. Well, in every society, people are bound to misbehave. People are bound to have dissenting views.
Okay.
People are bound to think differently from what your party wants. People are bound to think differently and do different things from what your caucus wants. That is why you will have a whip. And in the literal way, I'll be I can say,
exactly.
That's the meaning.
Yeah.
It means that be individual free. I dream poor Sabio Mabo. Nti seba whip system now who control members. The BABC members, you give information to members, you pick information from members, you direct members as to what the leadership wants you to do, as to what the party wants you to do. Just say, it is a whole lot of things. Obia when I hear someone, parliament, oh, hip no, and all the bow, or complain, bia, oh, hip no, and all the bow.
Okay.
Why you say welfare officer be,
right?
Parliament, honor.
And but Momo whipping it, the mo use aba a casa and a mode casa to convince the people. Yes, sir.
A casa. And now, a monument be so a parliament one more. A biwa a bedi and sem. And now, so you are quite a bano. You forming committees, the various committees now parliament.
Okay.
Yana said you be a committee. About a country. Yena sabi yama we kwa ha.
Okay.
Into yes you never be a yedema members no. And because members also want to benefit from you, no, they respect your opinion.
Okay. And yama banks are and more we pink for na more the more apart from casa.
Oh, and I make one relationship with the people.
Okay.
Or colleagues very, very important. Nipa ahia some what the and the way you receive it very important. And sabio leadership no parliament is leadership throughout. First come, first serve, that kind of thing. Because a sitting arrangement won't mean fa obia where third timer, not the aquacotina akunyanachi.
Okay.
We are sana a demotion. And so be caucus no na sabio say we second timer now a third timer na so mo di na kwa share chiria let's just say the person has a problem.
Right. Meaning say more we pia na just say everybody must be in line, but the ban is saying more we pia afi na ubon say fairly.
That is human nature too for you. Obi o wa o wepo na on wepo. But ni nyina no so ye kasa kire. Sometimes as a whip what me pick a signal be say idea ya see ye babe ye akwa isi wanye wa una me chira no say a human thing as a whip your ears are everywhere. So bit me catch so that the way I see obi anye the say as soon as say na say one here onye into who gather some intelligence now you quickly have to move and talk to the person.
Okay, great. And in this case, what went wrong in here when to me and all the people in line moment voting the direction and I'm
well It's a very difficult thing for me to explain because Sabio Oma Iwagura Wafri Agronomwa Okai Numa Inyi because Nami ni hobby. Well, I'm not part of them, but I think that near a year AC Nurano a brilliant argument because whatever be the case, Bonnie Ben Kran and Nipa bit me to that level. Say, you this one it goes beyond even the immediate parliament. It goes to the extent say presidents required a because in the Fourth Republic of Ghana, no, this kind of situation before, where you have members of parliament to be 137 for the majority,
exactly
137 for the minority, and one independent to decide the fate of parliament. We have never experienced that. And I must also admit, say, in the whipping system, no, yes, people misbehave. If you are not able to get everybody online. But in this case, it was so exceptional. Say, you didn't even need somebody to come and tell you that what you are going to do was wrong. You didn't need somebody to come and tell you. Say, nipa baku pe, so one person and to abana pe. Let's just say you have given advantage to the other part, which is the opposition, and that is what happened. You know, me as a party, no. You're doing why and that's the reason why I'm not in the whipping line. So if you are voting, you have to show your vote to the whip to make sure say we can stand in for you. Say yes, you have voted. But anyway, I mean how it went. Almost say be the already actually be so unformed answer. Na ama accusation will go on and go on and go on.
But Honorable, would you say the two personalities no mojira for speaker no omo Bobreso Ekaho and the Mamon Crawford be decided on be vote in the opposite direction?
I don't believe that. I don't think say speaker now Abambagbe is more better than Professor Michael Quinn. Believe that. And say about party discipline. A caucus discipliner. You goes beyond say way. That be a caucus discipline, a Professor McQueen Ediko. That is it. It's not negotiable. And you have to negotiate. Say way. But I think that maybe some bitterness. Nipa na individual bitterness. And nipa me no na individual bitterness. And omodi akose the whole party. But other than that, there is nothing that would justify what the two people have done. You can't justify it. You can't explain. And I said, they understand the party system better than even some of us. So they should have known better. Say this is a party decision. MPD, but they would read. A decision of the party and the new crop of MPs no mabano. I'm sure the leadership, whoever matters has spoken to them and they have advised them. This will be as about floor now at me yes idea we na me feel say a bitterness be okay so just a bitterness no na oye ni asabio ebe buaye nyina but massa.
And as well, Honorable, finally, Ujidi in Honorable Abang so bet to me I handle Parliament fairly.
Yes, obet me I handle Parliament. As to fairly, that I cannot confirm. Because Edruba Bia individual interest boom. Party interest boom. And no Aban Sumani Bagbe Sabio Lewe speaker. F free NDC Mona Waba. The NDC proposed him, and we all know the kind of politics we do in this country. It is not going to be in his interest. It is going to be in the interest of somebody who has proposed him, forcing him to do what he wants him to do.
Okay.
That fair aspect, I have a difficulty in it. But by and large, he's a gentleman, he's a good man, but he cannot, I always say, but because he presides over the house. The house is rules. He has to interpret the rules. The rules are there. Or ye be sabio Yefu send your way and the majority leader or the leadership or any member will call on him and quote the relevant standing orders and tell him, say, Speaker, this thing you are doing is not the way to go. But they say we most of the times, they will be calling for votes. Or they will be calling for head counts because of the 137.
Okay.
Believing that somebody will do what they have done before.
But you believe,
that's the fear.
But you foresee it's going to be a tough second term for Nana Addo.
It's going to be. Nana Addo has always been a tough man, and I believe and have all the courage in him. Say he will govern this country even better than maybe the seventh Parliament, because more vigilance will be given, more attention will be given. But the good news is that I still believe that we have 138 members of Parliament who have pledged their support to the majority caucus. The independent candidate has been with us. And I have it on clear record that he voted and showed it to the whip that yes, he voted for Professor Makekwe. Tells you that he has joined the majority caucus. And in all, no, over committee level, if there are supposed to be 9 members, MPP will be 5, MDC will be 4.
Okay.
And when it comes to voting, the people with the highest votes will carry the day.
Matthew Honorable Nyendam, we wish you well. Why? As we join Council Yakasa. We for Honorable Matthew Nyendam, the former member of Parliament, Pandai constituency, the former deputy majority chief. We've been around to see the Agudi Munsem, bro, what joining a higher